besties, it's Abby and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome! So for today's vlog, we will be doing a basic and simple makeup tutorial. Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano ko ginawa tong makeup na to step by step? If you want to see more of this look, please keep on watching. So nakapag-skincare na tayo, and now let's start. So first, mag-start tayo sa concealer. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in medium. Ito yung una-una kong ginagawa kapag magpi-makeup na. So, tinatakpan ko yung mga areas na mamula-mula, mga blemishes, mga pimple marks. Ngayon, meron tayong pimples dito. And we're gonna blend it using my fingers. Yan. So, pag nandito sa eye area, dapat tap lang siya. Kawawa naman yung eye area, yung skin sa ilalim, very sensitive pa naman yung skin. So, tap lang, guys. Tapos gusto ko yung ginagamit yung fingers kasi mas nabablend siya ng maayos. So, there. Next product that we're gonna use, this is Ellana Mineral Loose Foundation. And the shade is in Revive. You just have to put a little kasi sobrang niyang pigmented. What I love about this, ang mineral loose powder na to, talagang kumakapit siya sa skin. Nakaka-breathe yung skin ko kahit na ilang oras ko to ginagamit. And what's nice about this product is that it's 100% vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's safe for sensitive skin. So a little goes a long way. And habang tumatagal yung araw, mas lalo siyang kumakapit. Talagang para na siyang second skin. Maglagay din tayo dito sa neck para patay. Next product is this designing Browcara from the Face Shop. Kasi sobrang easy lang niyang gamitin, you know. Brush mo lang yung eyebrows mo. I love this product kasi madali lang siya gamitin. So yung tip ko pala is magpa-thread na kayo ng kilay nyo or magpa-wax na kayo para naka-ayos na siya at maganda na yung kilay nyo. So next is blush. I love this HOURGLASS product because it gives you the sun-kissed look. Ayun o. Tapos nalalagyan ko din dito, and then dito, and then dito rin on the side. Tip ko sa inyo, pag naglalagay kayo ng blush, always smile. Para yung mga cheekbones mo matatamaan. Smile! Guys, sobrang love na love ko talaga tong HOURGLASS na to. Kasi sobrang sun-kissed yung look after. And also, bigay siya sa akin ng niece ko. Hi, Sandra! Thank you! I love you! Now, it's time to curl those lashes. Okay, guys. So, ang tip ko lang sa inyo, pag nagko-curl kayo ng lashes nyo, akin kasi mahaba yung lashes ko, pero nakabagsak siya. So, ang gawin nyo is first, second, third layer. First, second, third layer para mas lalo siyang bumuka. Parang ganitong buka na siya. Tada! Next is this Hypercurl Mascara from Maybelline. Alam nyo, sobrang tagal ko na gumagamit ng mascara ng Maybelline. As in, ever since teenager pa lang ako, Maybelline na talaga yung trusted ko na mascara. I don't know, as in, I love how it curls your lashes so much. Although marami na rin naman ako na-try na mascara, pero trusted ko na ang Maybelline. So I'm recommending it to you. And also, it's cheap. It's affordable. Go buy. My sky high lashes, see? Pamaypay yan. Next is MAC Strobe Cream. Maganda dito sa Strobe Cream na to is it's a brightening moisturizer. You can just put it here. Like that. See? Para sa mga high areas. Maganda sa kanya is okay lang kahit sumobra ka because it's a brightening moisturizer. See, put it here. Put it here. And here is it. And under. See? Para ka lang may glow. Last is the lipstick. So, mamili kayo ng favorite lipstick nyo. Red man yan or nude. It's all up to you. How I'm gonna use this, Shut Up and Kiss Me in Honeymoon Glow. I love this lipstick so much. Ito yung madalas kang gamitin. Sorry mga best, sobra talagang init at alam ko nagbabatika na ako dito. Kaya hindi ko talaga pwedeng buksan yung fan kasi maingay. So here's our basic and simple makeup tutorial. I hope you like this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up sign. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell beside it para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga bagong uploads. Thanks for watching, guys. Always remember that you are beautiful, you matter, and you are a blessing. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!